Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video, I have some affordable content for you, which is my absolute favorite to produce, just because I love showing you guys how amazing quality you can find without having to spend a lot of extra money, because the reality is a lot of us don't have a ton of extra money to spend, but we still want to get a few of those nice things for ourselves, especially as moms, when we live for the well-being of other people. It's nice to sometimes treat ourselves. So these are 6 products from Ulta specifically that are $10 or less, which if you're familiar with the makeup industry, $10 is about as cheap as it gets now. There are a few stragglers from the $1 to $5 mark, but ultimately $10 is as cheap as it gets. So these products are $10 or less. You can get them at Ulta. You can also get them directly from their websites as well as other retailers, but I specifically chose Ulta. That way you can kind of get everything in one place if you choose to get these products. So if you're interested to see what products I am loving from Ulta that are $10 or less, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I have on my list is the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I cannot recommend this enough. This is a wonderful, user-friendly, beginner-friendly, almost completely undetectable, but it has medium coverage, which is amazing. It's what I'm wearing today. I'm going to put some on my hand so you guys can see kind of what I'm talking about. So it's super thin and runny. As you can see, it's running down my hand. But when you blend this out, the coverage is beautiful, but look at that. Like, it legitimately still looks like your skin, which I love. I cannot recommend this product enough, and it retails for $7.50. You can get it from Ulta as well as the Ordinary website. Next product that I have on my list is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder. This stuff is amazing. I put this in my makeup kit, actually. They have a white translucent shade. That's the one I include in my kit. That way it's universal and it works for everybody. It's not ashy on deeper skin tones. And then obviously it works very well no matter how fair you are. The one that I have specifically is in the shade medium, which is perfect for me. I'm going to just apply a little bit to my face here. It's so smoothing. It's so mattifying, but it does this beautiful thing where it doesn't dry out your skin. It smooths your pores. It's amazing. I can't recommend this enough. I think they have 8 shades and it retails for $9.50. The next product I want to talk about is an eyebrow product. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have heard me rave and rave and rave. I'll show it to you. I have it right here. I rave about the Kosas eyebrow gel. This stuff is amazing. I don't know what it does to my eyebrows. I don't know how it works. It's magical. I think it's worth every penny, which is huge because it's like the only high-end eyebrow product that I own. However, there is something at Ulta that is so cheap, that is so similar to the Kosas one. So if you don't want to spend the money without knowing if you like a product like that, this is the way to go. And you might find that you like this enough and you're like, hey, I'm totally fine with this. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This has a tinted gel. You guys can see this. It has a tinted gel as well as fibers in this. So as long as you have just a few eyebrow hairs, this just makes your eyebrows look fuller. It sets them in place. It tints them, which is always awesome. And sometimes I will apply this and then I just don't do anything else to my brows. It's absolutely beautiful. I highly recommend this product. And just wait for this, you guys. It retails for $3.99. And the thing with Ulta, a lot of their brands go on sale, especially their affordable brands. So Essence is one of those brands that does like buy one, get one half off, or buy 2, get 1 free, or buy 1, get 2 free. I mean, it's whatever it is. It's almost every week. They do that. So you can sometimes get this for cheaper than $3.99. This is also something that I keep in my makeup kit when I do weddings. I love it. I can't recommend it enough also. Okay, the next product that I have on my list here is the Essence Mascara, which a lot of Essence products I have been surprised are actually really phenomenal, and they are so affordable. But one of their standout products that you guys have probably heard about if you keep up with the makeup industry at all, and that is their mascaras. They have several different kinds. Actually, I think they have like 8 to 10 different kinds of mascara, depending on what results you want. This one has been my favorite. This is their newest one. It is the Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara. I love it. It does exactly what it says. It gives volume, it gives length, it gives curl, and it's beautiful. Now, I will say with this, I have long lashes on top and bottom, so because of that, it will kind of smudge on my lower lash line a little bit if I'm laughing and talking a lot, because when my cheeks kind of squish up my lower, like my under eye area, they will kind of smudge on the bottom. I wouldn't say this runs, and I wouldn't say it flakes, but if you're like me and you smile and you're very animated and you have longer lashes, it may smudge on your lower lash line, just so you know. But this retails for $4.99. It's amazing, and I use the color black. Okay, the next product I'm going to be sharing with you guys is a lip product, and it is actually what I'm wearing today. So this is the Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipstick. I want to make sure I get the descriptions right for you guys in case you search for them online. And this is in the color Secret. They have Color Fetish lipsticks that are like a shinier satin finish, but their newest ones are a matte finish, and they are beautiful. They're so pigmented, they're matte and smooth on the lips, but they're not drying, and they don't make your lips like crepey and gross looking. So I love them. And they did come out with a few more colorful shades, but for the most part, the line is completely like a nude, different shades of nude. The shade Secret is my personal favorite, which is what I'm using today. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It's just a beautiful kind of cool tone pink, which I love. So I do like a kind of like a neutral brown lip liner. I put a little bit of this on, and then I blend it together, and it just kind of tones down the pink, but it doesn't make it too like bland and brown, if that makes sense. These retail for $8.99 at Ulta, and I highly recommend them. I would almost go as far as to say that they are probably the best lipstick I've ever used. I might say that. Don't quote me on it, but I think they're probably my favorite because they also wear a really, really long time. And because they are matte, they don't transfer as much as like a gloss or a satin lipstick would. So love these. I have my homemade citrus infused green tea. It sounds super fancy. It's not, in my Starbucks cup, which makes it better. And okay, so I bought this Starbucks cup thinking it was just a regular cup, and it changes colors when it's cold, which I feel like is kind of dumb, but I like it at the same time. I don't know. I wish I would have gotten just the classic one, but it still works. Last but not least, I have one more product for you guys, and that is a blush. If you're anything like me, I love blush. I cannot do my makeup without blush. I just feel like it adds that youthfulness and that gorgeous color back into the skin. And the blush that I picked out for you guys from Ulta is by LA Girl. And this is their Just Blushing Powdered Blush, and it is in the color Just Playful. This is a really, really pretty blush. This is such a neutral, wearable shade for anyone from like a fair to a medium skin tone. Anything like a tan to deep skin tone, this is probably going to be a little bit too light, but everything that's a little lighter than that it looks so beautiful on. I would just say it's a true like neutral tone mauve color, and it is by LA Girl, and it retails for $5.99. These blushes, they're just classic. They're not fancy. They're nothing like, I don't know, extravagant. The packaging's not amazing, but the quality of the product really, truly is. It's what I'm wearing on my cheeks today. It's very, what is in my mouth? Disgusting. I hate when like I just have like these random bits in my mouth and I don't know what they are. Ooh. Anywho, I ate an everything bagel for lunch with salmon and cream cheese on it, so it's probably like some random seed or something on that bagel. Anywho, the blush is nothing fancy to look at, but it is truly a beautiful color. It's what I'm wearing today, and I just feel like it's very universal, and it's so affordable. So there you have it. Those are 6 items that I absolutely love from Ulta that are $10 or less. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.